This matter was before Judge Sabelo Masuku. For eSwatini TV News, Mngosi Mavimbela, High Court.
The eSwatini Tourism Authority's Chief Executive Officer Linda Nxumalo says the country's ability to host educational meetings with tour operators from across the world signifies that eSwatini is ready to welcome tourists to indulge in the royal experience offered by the kingdom. Nxumalo was speaking during the post-Indaba educational session held in eSwatini.
The eSwatini Tourism Authority met with different stakeholders in the tourism sector through the eSwatini Post-Indaba Educational Speeds networking session that brought together operators from different countries. The authority's Chief Executive Officer Linda Nxumalo says eSwatini has seen the emergence of new one-of-a-kind tourism establishments comprising of fine dining experiences, spas and nature parks, among others.
We are quite pleased that we have tour operators from our key source markets, which constitute over 80% of our tourist arrivals, and these are South Africa and Mozambique. We do believe that when we're looking at our tourist arrival numbers, we are projecting that we're going to be seeing a sharp increase on the arrival numbers from Zimbabwe, because it has been a key source market for us in the region, and we believe that it is going to be going up.
Tour operators from different countries have shared their experiences in eSwatini.
We really appreciate what we are seeing, the role that tourism is playing within the community, where we see the communities, especially in the rural areas, where there's little economic activity, benefiting from the visitors that are coming into eSwatini.
I really enjoyed going to Malalocha Nature Reserve. It was so different from what we've seen before. I like that you can do some active activities there.
The authority has been tasked with generating 2 billion emalangeni by 2025. For eSwatini TV News, Sondo Mlangeni, Mbongwa Dube, eZulwini.